Hello everyone. Thanks for watching and welcome to Oh sorry, wrong school. As I was saying, welcome to Homeroom. Here in this section, I will be updating you with the latest information and announcements from Merkabah Academy. So, when you log in, make sure you check here for any new updates, but if it's something urgent, the player will be set to autoplay, and the video will play soon as you log in. There are now more classes and games available. We are also still adding more to the Academy. Feel free to look around, starting with your new locker right here. Below is your new desk. There you will find new courses, course materials, and many other items right on top of your desk. Test grades and reports will also appear on your desk once you log in. When there is a new course, a notebook will appear. Just click on the item, and it will take you to the right place. Well, that's the bell. Have fun, people, and welcome to the Academy.
Hey everyone, here's one last chance to get Never Pay Again membership for only $24.99. And it comes with full Podia access and all digital downloads. Hurry, because this is only a 24-hour one-time offer that ends Monday. Make sure you take advantage, and see you at the Academy.